Today, we're going to discuss the QMI Differential Exchange Service. This service helps remove abrasive wear metals and debris, increasing the life of bearings and gears while improving performance. Your safety is very important, so always remember to wear safety glasses. Differential fluid contains debris and could result in metal embedding in your eye if safety glasses are not worn. Also, please use extreme caution raising the vehicle on the lift. Prior to lifting the vehicle, ensure you know the proper lifting points. Raise the vehicle so the tires are just off the ground and lightly rock the vehicle to ensure the vehicle is safe. And make sure the vehicle is in neutral with the parking brake off so you can determine if it has a posi traction limited slip differential. Now, look up the fluid specification to determine the proper viscosity and quantity, and procure the specified bottle or bottles of Gear Glide and install on the front of the machine. If you are changing to a gear oil specification different than the previous service, you'll need to purge the fluid hose. To purge the fluid hose, hook up the new bottle of gear oil as normal. Turn on the Add New Fluid switch. Point the hose into a drain pan and open the green New Fluid valve, allowing new fluid to flow for 5 seconds. Here's a tip. If you leave the empty gear oil bottle attached to the machine when you finish the service, the next user will know which gear oil fluid is in the machine. With the vehicle up in the air in neutral with the parking brake off, turn one rear wheel forward. If the other wheel turns in the same direction, the vehicle has a posi traction limited slip differential. If it turns in the opposite direction or doesn't turn, it isn't a posi. A posi traction limited slip differential requires the limited slip differential supplement to be installed. If in doubt, install the LSD supplement anyway. Note: for four-wheel drive vehicles, use the same procedure for the front axle. And please note, for one bottle of Gear Glide used, you must also include one bottle of limited slip supplement. Locate the fill plug on the differential housing, usually located either on the cover or on the pinion bearing extension of the housing. Now, remove the plug and select the largest adapter hose that will fit all the way to the bottom inside the differential. The hoses are made of a flexible, coated, reinforced metal. You may need to pre-bend the hose to snake it all the way to the bottom for complete removal of old fluid. With shop air hooked to the nipple on the back of the machine, turn the toggle switch marked Remove Used Fluid to On. Now open the red gate valve on the machine hose where it attaches to the adapter hose. The used fluid will now evacuate from the differential housing. Allow the machine to run until fluid stops running through the clear machine hose. Close the red valve. If the vehicle requires the limited slip additive, install it into the differential before refilling. Now, turn the toggle switch marked Add New Fluid to On. Turn the green valve on. The new fluid will now pump into the differential. The differential is filled when it's level with the bottom of the fill hole. Make sure the vehicle is level when checking. Take care to not overfill. Now, remove the fill tube and stow it on the machine. Next, wipe the case and replace the fill plug. Take the vehicle for a quality control road test and recheck for leaks after the road test. Remove the hold down bar from the tank. Also, remove the cap from the tank. Now, empty into an appropriate waste oil disposal tank. Congratulations, completing this differential exchange provided your customer a valuable preventive maintenance service.